Good day to each and everyone. By the way, my name is Girly Nadera Hangad, and today I am going to do the teaching demonstration. So I have here my lesson plan in TLE. I'm gonna present this to you. Okay, so that's it. I'm gonna start my demonstration now. Okay, please stand up, class, for the prayer. Amen. Good morning once again. Before you may take your seat, kindly arrange your chair. Okay, so this time I'm going to be checking your attendance. Please start counting 1 to 10. Very good. That serves a big hand since nobody is absent from this class. So last meeting, I told you to bring the following materials needed in our activity today, right? The utility tray, the knife, the plate, and of course the chopping board. So this time I just want to check if you really bring those tools. Did you bring those tools? Okay, very good that you bring those tools. So before anything else, let's have first a short recap about what we did last meeting. Anybody? Yes, please stand. What did we do last meeting? Okay, very good. Last meeting we talked about the components in preparing sandwiches. So, what are those two components? We have, please stand, very good. We have types of bread and types of filling. Now, do you have any question? Okay, since you don't have any question, now let's move on. Okay, so I have here, as in the board, I have here 4 picks 1 word. Now, I just want one student to please answer this. Anybody? Yes? Very good. The answer is clubhouse sandwich. Okay, so what do you think is our lesson today? Our lesson for today is all about preparing and presenting clubhouse sandwich. Very good. So now let me present to you our objectives. Okay, so we have 4 objectives. First, identify ingredients used in preparing clubhouse sandwich. Demonstrate on how to make clubhouse sandwich. Follow correct steps and procedures in making clubhouse sandwich, and we need to observe safety and sanitation. And lastly, we need to relate the topic into real life situation. Any question? Okay, let's move on. So we're going to unlock first the difficult words that we are going to encounter. Okay, so these are the 4 words. First, mise en place. We all know that mise en place is putting in place as in setup. Next, sandwich. Sandwich is a food typically consisting of meat or slices of vegetable placed on or between slices of the bread. Next, clubhouse sandwich. It is actually consisting of 3 slices of toasted bread filled with sliced meat or vegetables. Lastly is we have the spread. Okay, so we all know that spread makes the taste of our bread yummier. Okay, that's it. Very good. Any question? Now let's proceed. So this time I'm gonna be demonstrating to you on how am I going to make the clubhouse sandwich. Okay. So our ingredients here. Next is wearing my complete PPE attire. This one, I'm gonna wear this. Our apron, our gloves. Just a minute. Okay, so we're done. Next is, I'm going to introduce to you some important reminders in handling the food. Okay. Please eyes clear on the board. First, we need to observe cleanliness, of course. Second, remove all our hand accessories. It is very necessary. Next, wash our hands with a clean water and soap. Wear our complete working outfit. And of course, lastly, we need to handle the tools needed in our activity in order to avoid incidents incidents or accidents. Okay, very good. So, we're done. So, let's proceed to the procedures. Okay, please look at our procedures. First is, we need to get the first slice of toasted bread topped with mayonnaise. Next is we need to put the cucumber, the lettuce, and we have the tomatoes. And then top again with mayonnaise. And the lettuce, and of course lastly our third slice of toasted bread. Okay, so done. Here it is, our finished clubhouse sandwich. Now I just want you to observe it carefully. Okay, question. Okay, so how is it, class? Okay, very good. It seems that our clubhouse sandwich is yummy and delicious. Now, are you excited to taste it? Okay, very good. Question. What do you think are the nutrients that we can get from eating this clubhouse sandwich? Anybody? Okay, very good. We can get carbohydrates, proteins, vitamin C, and any other nutrients that we can get from eating this. Okay, so yesterday I assigned to you your partner, right? Because this time you will be able to make your own clubhouse sandwich. Are you ready? Okay. So this would be your scoring rubric. Okay, class, this would be your scoring rubric in making your own clubhouse sandwich. The taste, the appearance, the preparation, and the cleanliness for a total of 40 points. Okay, any question? Any question? Okay, since you don't have any question, now let's continue. So you will be evaluated based on the clubhouse sandwich that you made or that you make. Okay? So, based on this rubric again. Okay, since you don't have any questions, so let's proceed to your assignment. Okay, for your assignment, please copy. Okay, please copy that one in your notebook. Okay, that's all for today, class. Thank you and goodbye.